Welcome back to Endangered Species Spotlight. As per request this week, we're talking about kiwis. So you may know what kiwis are already because they look fucking ridiculous and I love them. But yeah, they're a species of flightless bird from New Zealand. And yeah, look at them. They're beautiful. Look at how beautiful these guys are. Another fun fact about kiwis is they have this absolutely unnecessary egg. Like, look at it. Like, why would you do that to yourself? Evolution, why? So, yes, they produce this one giant fucking egg, and then that takes a lot of energy. So they usually have, like, only one egg per batch, because look at it. How could you do that to yourself times two? Just stop. So the one egg takes a lot of energy. So one egg, one baby, that's all they got. As is the case with many island ecosystems, you get some weird evolution happening. So flightlessness in birds tends to happen when there is no natural ground predators for birds, and so birds gradually just lose their flight abilities. And that is the case of what happened in New Zealand with the kiwis and also a bunch of other species of flightless birds. But unfortunately, when humans got there, we brought predators because we like our cats and dogs, and also rats are really good at getting around. So some of the threats facing these guys, as per usual, habitat loss with basically everything I'm ever going to talk about in this series, as well as habitat fragmentation, so the different kiwis can't get around to do their kiwiing. And again, one of the big ones, one of the main threats is invasive predators. So that includes things like rats, weasels and ferrets and stuff, and the biggest main one is domestic cats and dogs. So kiwis have no way to get away from any large ground predator, so if your cat and dog is out, like if they're out doing that, there's no way the kiwi can get away. It's just kind of stuck. So one of the things you specifically can do to help if you're in New Zealand is keep your dogs on a leash and keep your cats indoors. That's the main one of the big things you can do to help this kiwi population. But what's especially fun about this is, as of 2022, they're no longer endangered. They're still threatened, they still need help, but as of 2022, the population has recovered enough to be taken off the endangered species list, which is great, but they're still on Endangered Species Spotlight because request, and they're cool.